Welcome to my channel about visioning robotics and embedded systems. This video is focused on my Arduino Mega2560, and in this case another attempt to connect it to the RaspberryPi2 right here. And while setting this experiment up, I encountered a problem on the side of the Raspberry Pi with a connection, and whether that is a good thing or a bad thing, that is another question, because I am about to control it via the Arduino, but how do I check it via the Raspberry Pi, given the problem that I faced? So let's go to screencast and see whatever happened. So this is obviously screencast, camera view, Arduino environment, RS232 environment, SSH environment. And the problem is on this one that I experienced. And to really show whatever happened, I will have to actually log out of here and then leave Minicom. Because what did happen is with this cable, and I have to be careful with the connection. All right, so now I have connected that wire to the Raspberry Pi as I did last time and as is supposed to happen. However, this is my command to connect to USB. More appropriate Minicom, which is for serial connection. All right. And then I am supposed to get a login prompt, which doesn't happen. And now it does. How weird. How very weird this is. Because last time I didn't get the Raspberry Pi login while this wire was connected. And as soon as I pulled this wire off the connector, the login appeared. So this is yet another experience which I cannot really explain. Well, I am connected, so that's a good thing. But still, I wonder why it didn't do that in the first place. Anyway, this is the Raspberry Pi here. This is the Arduino. And the question is then, again, can I run it? And that is another point. Last time I couldn't run it because right now a program is running from last time. And let's see whatever happened or happens once again. Oh, I have to open the, wait, am I connected anyway? Yes, I am connected. And get board info. Okay, that's right. However, I want the serial monitor. Not connected. Question is now, why don't I get an upload thing for that monitor? DevT2 USB. Yeah, that's the same as this one. This is strange. No board selected at all. Why is there no board selected? This is correct. Okay. This one, then connecting. That should do it automatically. And I recall that I had a problem with this last time as well. Permission denied. Oh, wait. Okay, so that means that I have to do it in a different way. I have to open it probably using sudo. Thank you for watching. I have done some programming experiments and some connection experiments or tests actually, and results are clear. I need to go in a different way, and if you want to see and know why and what different way it will be, please watch the whole video, and then I will see it how it develops in the next episode. For now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. You can support by making a contribution via Ko-fi, Buy Me a Coffee and via PayPal. Everything is under in the description box, and you can also more permanently support via Patreon and Ko-fi also. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.